Hello students, today we all have learn the next topic of chapter classification of animal kingdoms. Today we all have detail learn about the chapters phylum, Annelida and Arthropoda. So first of all we detail study about the phylum Annelida. Phylum Annelida. What are the special features of phylum Annelida? How can we identify these are annelidans? So the first feature is number 1, these are freshwater. These are found in aquatic, found in freshwater, as well as marine water. Marine waters. Second, annuals are present. मीन्स इस फाइलम की जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी पर एन्यूल्स, एनिलीडा मीन्स, एनिलीडा की जो मीनिंग है इसका एक्सपेंड फॉर्म है एन्यूल्स, एन्यूल से बना एनिलीडा. तो एन्यूल्स मीन्स रिंग, रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. यू कैन इजिली ऑब्जर्व इन द अर्थवर्म, द बॉडी ऑफ अर्थवर्म show numbers of small segments known as rings, and nearly 100 to 150 nearabouts rings are found in the earthworms. Next, longitudinal muscles. Longitudinal muscles is present which help in the locomotion. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मसल्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं जो इस फाइलम के एनिमल्स को लोकोमोट या लोकोमोशन चलने में सहायता करती हैं. इन सम एनिलीड्स और स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर सीटी इज प्रेजेंट which help in locomotion, like as in earthworm. These are triploblastic. These are triploblastic. Triploblastic. These are triploblastic. they are bilaterally symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical. Excretory organ is nephridia. Excretory organs is nephridia. Nephridia. Excretory organ is nephridia. The fertilization is internal. External. Some animals in which the fertilization takes place the inside the body, where some takes place in the outside of the body. They reproduce mostly sexually. Development is direct and indirect. Examples: leech, nereis, chiton, etc. Various examples of the phylum Annelidas. The next phylum is phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. What are the special features of arthropodans? How can we identify these are arthropodans? The meaning of arthropoda is arthro means jointed. Jointed. Artho means jointed, and poda means feet. So those organisms in which jointed feet are present, those organisms in which jointed feet are present, known as arthropodans. And various other features of arthropodan is: number 1, circulatory system is open type. Circulatory system is open type. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज ओपन टाइप मीन्स इसमें जो ब्लड की बॉडी में जो ब्लड का फ्लो होता है ब्लड का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होता है वो डायरेक्टली वन साइनसेस टू अनदर साइनसेस होता है. नो एनी क्लोज ट्यूब्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द बॉडीज. नेक्स्ट, compound eye is present. Compound eye is present. आर्थ्रोपोडा फाइलम के जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं उसमें स्पेसिफिक आई प्रेजेंट होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं कंपाउंड आई. These are triploblastic, triploblastic, and bilaterally symmetrical. मीन्स इस फाइलम के एनिमल्स की जो बॉडी होती है वो ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक होती है और बायलेटरली सिमेट्रिकल होती है. Can be divided into two equal parts. And next, it is the largest phylum of animal kingdoms. It is the largest phylum of animal kingdoms. एनिमल किंगडम, ये एनिमल किंगडम का सबसे लार्जेस्ट फाइलम है. सबसे ज्यादा एनिमल्स इस फाइलम में हैं. The breathing or respiration takes place through the trachea. The breathing takes place through the trachea. ब्रीथिंग किसके थ्रू होती है? ट्रेकिया के थ्रू होती है. इट इज द रिस्पायरेटरी ऑर्गन्स और ब्रीथिंग ऑर्गन्स ऑफ ऑल आर्थ्रोपोड्स और ऑल इंसेक्ट्स. The blood have no any pigments in them, so it composed of colorless bloods. Development is direct or indirect. Direct or indirect. And these are oviparous. These are oviparous. इस फाइलम के जो एनिमल्स हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? ओविपेरस होते हैं. मीन्स दे ले एग्स. तो दीज आर द वेरियस फीचर्स ऑफ द फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडास. Excretion takes place to the specific structures known as Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules Malpighian tubules is present, which help in the excretion in the arthropods. Examples of arthropod is mosquitoes, housefly, grasshopper, cockroach, etc. Various examples of the phylum Arthropods. Today we close the session of the topic classification of element kingdoms, and we briefly describe the specific characters of phylum Annelida and phylum Arthropoda. Some questions which are for to this topic is, that is, number 1, name the phylum in which annuals is present. Which type of circulatory system is present in the phylum Annelidans? Name the excretory organs of Annelida. And the phylum Arthropoda, how many feet jointed, how many pairs of feet is present in the arthropodons? आर्थ्रोपोडन फाइलम्स के एनिमल्स में कितने फीट प्रेजेंट होते हैं? 3 पेयर्स. Which type of circulatory system is present in the insect? These are the various questions which are constructed from these topics.